It's time for 2-Minute Tuesday, Main Sequence's series of short videos with tips, tricks, and tutorials to help make you a more powerful PCRecruiter user. Recruiting, staffing, and sourcing simply wouldn't be a thing if everyone stayed in one job forever. But what happens when someone leaves your company? Today we're going to look at what an admin user can do with the records when a PCRecruiter user leaves the organization. When someone exits the scene, you may simply want to delete their account. User changes are made under System, Manage Users. We'll select the user who's gone, and then click the Delete icon in the Action panel. This won't remove or change any of the records that belong to them, it will just remove their login account. If the user is on temporary leave or may come back later, we can open the Security panel. At the bottom, under Security Policy, you'll find the Account is Disabled option. Checking this box and saving the record prevents the user from logging in without actually deleting their account. Now let's say we've hired someone to take over the desk and we want to change all of the existing records for that account over to the new person. We can do this by clicking the icon to the right of the username field and changing the username. We can also get to this panel by searching for Change Username under System. We want to enter the new username here, 10 characters maximum. When we apply the change, PCR scours the database for all historical data created by this user and changes the username field on it to the new one. This feature is also handy when a user has a new last name and wants to change their username to match. One item to note, if the person was using PCR's internal email client, those email records are stored in a separate database and will not be altered when you change the username. You'll want to contact support@mainsequence.net for details on linking old emails to a new username. What if we want to assign only the outgoing user's jobs to another current user? Or if we want to change only certain name, company, and job records? Well, an admin can change the username field on each record manually, but we can alter multiple records at once with the global change features under the system. We'll search for Change and then select Change Positions. The predefined field we want to alter is Username. We can use the selector here to limit the changes to a specific roll-up list of jobs, or we can fill the original value box with the old username so that the system simply finds and changes all positions marked with that username. The same principles apply to changing name or company records. When you use these global change features, the username field on the record is changed to the new username, while all of the activity history, interviews, and so on associated with the record remain tagged with the original username. For more 2-Minute Tuesdays, subscribe to this YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter, join the LinkedIn PCRecruiter users group, and watch our blog posts on your PCR login screen. If you have any topics or suggestions for a future 2-Minute Tuesday, send an email to 2minutetuesday@mainsequence.net.